Hello, and welcome to NewPod. After making a mistake, we often hear that little voice inside our heads. It whispers, I mess everything up, or I'm totally useless. Does that sound familiar to you? Welcome to NewPod, the podcast that helps you feel better every single day. Today, for our 23rd episode, we're going to talk about a really important topic. We'll learn how to speak to ourselves with more kindness. This is a super important skill for our well-being.
Absolutely. Our show's format, as always, is all about everyday psychology. We want to give you practical, easy-to-use tools. These tools will help improve your life without any complicated words.
Our goal for this episode is very clear. We want to help you change how you talk to yourself. This is especially true after you've had a setback or made a mistake.
Exactly. We want to help you replace those big, often unfair self-attacks. Instead, we'll learn to use a more accurate and responsible way of thinking. It's all about finding solutions and moving forward. This is a powerful new way to see things.
This happens all the time. After we make a mistake, our inner thoughts tend to make big generalizations. We might tell ourselves, I mess everything up, or I'm totally useless. Sometimes we even think, no one can ever trust me.
Yes, these thoughts turn one small event, one specific action, into a big judgment about who we are. They ignore all the good things, all the other information that doesn't fit that harsh, overall judgment.
Talking to ourselves with kindness isn't about ignoring the facts. It's not about making endless excuses for ourselves either. It's not being lazy or letting ourselves off the hook. It's really about finding the right, fair words to use.
Exactly. A fair way to talk can acknowledge a mistake, its effects, and what to do next. It doesn't have to attack who we are. For example, instead of, I'm so scatterbrained, I mess everything up, you could say, I forgot that appointment. That caused a problem. I'll apologize and set a reminder for next time.
That's a really important difference. To help you use this every day, we have some practical tips.
First, notice any harsh thoughts you have about yourself. Then, look for absolute words like always, never, or everything. These often signal that you're overgeneralizing.
Once you find them, try to rewrite that thought. Imagine you're saying it to someone you truly respect. It should be accurate, complete, and kind.
Another great tip is to compare how you treat yourself to how you'd treat a friend in the same spot. It's a real eye-opener.
Yes, if there's a big difference, it might mean you're too hard on yourself. We're often much tougher on ourselves than on others.
It's important to remember these tools are for everyday use. But there are limits to helping yourself alone.
That's right. If you keep feeling bad about yourself, or stop enjoying things, or feel hopeless, it might mean you need more help.
It's super important not to be all by yourself if you feel this way. You can always talk to a grown-up, like a doctor or a counselor, who can help you feel better.
Finally, we have a question for all of you listening.
Can you tell us about the last mistake you made? And can you do it without saying that mistake makes you a bad person? It's a great way to start changing how you talk to yourself inside your head.
If you want to learn more about feeling good inside your head, here are some good places to look.
You can check out the mental health page on the World Health Organization's website.
And for older kids, there's information about feeling worried or stressed on the Emily website. So, to sum it all up, remember that how you talk to yourself really helps you feel good. Try not to say always or never about yourself. Just stick to the facts. And be as kind to yourself as you would be to your very best friend. When you change your words, you can change how you see things.
Thanks so much for listening to us today. Remember to be kind to yourself and how you talk inside your head. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next episodes. See you soon.